In the Society Accounts module, all accounting income and expenses entries are automated by the system. You do not need an accounting background to maintain your Society accounts. Let's open the Account section. Screen is divided into 5 sections. We will see all sections one by one. In the Action tab, common Society expenses are listed, such as expenses of water tanker, common area electricity, salary to staff, etc. Let's try one of the action. Let's say, Management Committee paid monthly electricity charges to Electricity Board. Open paid electricity bill. Here we can see, ledger are selected by default. If you have paid via bank, then select the credit ledger as bank. Enter the amount. Add the transaction date when you have actually paid the bill. Attach the bill from here. Click on Save once done. You can see the Journal entry from Journal tab. Let's add another entry where Management Committee paid for repair expenses. Select the debit ledger as repair expenses. Enter the amount paid. Set the correct transaction date. Attach a receipt of the expense. Click on Save once done. We can again see the entry in the journal. Now the beautiful part is, Neighbium keeps your receipt safe in the document repository. Let's open document repository to see that. System has automatically created a folder named Accounts. When you open it, there will be folder where you will see the receipt of all financial years. Let's open the current financial year. Here you can see the receipts we added for electricity, common area expenses and repair expenses. You can download the receipt at any time. Similarly, all your bills are arranged properly by the system. You can download all in a single go by clicking on the top right corner submenu and select Download all as zip. For more information on Document Repository, please view the video of Document Repository module. Let's go back to Accounts. Similarly, we can use all other action for quick entry. Let's move to Journal tab. Here you can see all the entries for this date. You can modify the details by clicking on the entry. You can set the month view and year view from top right corner of the screen. From here you can also close and reopen the financial year. Let's move to Reports section. Download the reports of pending payment from all apartments from here. You can download financial statement which is auto-prepared by the system. Let's open Receipt and Payment Statement. Here you can see the status of your cash in hand and cash at bank. Similarly, you can download income expenditure statement and balance sheet at any point. Next is the Ledger section. Here you can see the default system ledger. You can add your Society custom ledger by clicking on the Add icon. Let's add new ledger as stationery expenses, and add it in the group called Indirect Expenses. Click on Save once done. Open the Stationery Expenses ledger. To set the opening balance of the ledger, click on top right corner of the screen and select Set Opening Balance. If you add the amount in positive, it will set the opening balance on the debit side. For instance, let's add ₹1,000 on debit side. Similarly, if credit side is heavy for the ledger, enter the number in negative. For instance, -1,000. You can also modify the ledger from here. Next is the bank account section. Here you can add your society bank account. You can also see your society bank account balance here. If you have multiple bank accounts of your society, then add bank account by clicking on the add icon. Enter the bank details, and check the below checkbox if you want to receive online payment to this bank account. If you see pending KYC, then please send the cancel check to support@neighbium.com, else the maximum transaction limit is Rs 10,000.